All right, Bears Rod Shop late here on a Wednesday, the 22nd, I believe, isn't it, Sammy? 22nd April. And here is the old bed frame and stuff that come out of the sleeper. And tell you what, I've never seen so many rivets in all my life. And the bride, she's picking up, and we're wore out. And the man is, thank you, dear, for the day's work, because we've been out here since 8 o'clock. Excuse me. Anyhow, a big plus. The whole wiring harness out of this was in pristine shape. And yes, got a good use. CJ5, you're going to get a whole wiring package for lights. And also, she carried off the bookcase, I guess you'll call them, where the drivers would have their bookcases. And here's a glimpse inside. Let's see if we can turn this down in here. And we're going to end up leaving the vents. That way in the summer I can pop them vents open and the air compressor will get some breeze through here. Got it on the big door out here. But all aluminum is in really good shape. And the roof is in real good shape. We are just ecstatic that we picked this up at a reasonable price. And she's going to make a really nice doghouse slash well house compressor. And yeah, I'm going to start laying out tomorrow and getting ready to go through that roof so I can get my air compressor in here, because I need to penetrate out through it about 8 inches. And then the well, of course, will go over here. But yeah, I've got a little bit of electrical in the morning to pull out. And we'll have a full wiring harness for lights, etc. And here's a good look at the bottom. We got some old caulk to take out. Took it out on this side earlier a while ago, and then we'll fill that with the can styrofoam. Fill these up, but it will be setting on a concrete slab. Even got the fire extinguisher. I mean the flares. Hope we don't throw them in the fire to offset the neighborhood, but this is going to make some pretty good aluminum scrap for me. I was thinking about making a table, but too much work, and I got too many tables. And so wiring harness, she's coming right along, and it's been a long day for Bear and Miss Bear. And we're going to go in there and eat supper and enjoy ourselves and kick back. Got some rain coming. So if y'all like this channel and what our contents are, please subscribe. Give us some comments. I don't get many comments, good or bad. Send them things. And check us out on Facebook, Bears Rod Shop. Come back and visit, and God bless.